How we doing, everybody? It's a beautiful day here in the Cheesy Moon Workshop. It's Wednesday, and there's a couple fellas I watched on YouTube here today that did a Western Wednesday. That's Big J's kind of thing, not an open tag. And I just watched his Western Wednesday, and he had a big old giant honking Western knife. Well, I got a little challenge for him. I want to show my Western knife that I picked up recently. I don't know, his might be bigger, but what do you think about that Western there, Mr. J? It is a Western. It says it right there, Western USA, and there's a model number on the back here. I believe it's 242, and there's something underneath there I can't really see, but I just thought I'd share this with Mr. J since he likes these Western knives. This bad boy, two little blades on there. Oh, sorry, I was out of frame. Two little blades on there. Fantastic snap on this little joker. And he did a measuring tape deal on his, so I got one on mine here. Mine is 2 3/4 inches long in the closed position. Yeah, the blade is 2 inches with about an inch and, I would call it 1 3/4 cutting blade length. But there you go, Mr. J. Just a real quick, short Western Wednesday from the Cheesy Moon Workshop. This little joker rides in my pocket for the past 4 days now. Super handy little, just do stuff, get her done kind of knife. Cleaned up pretty good too. Not a bad little knife. And this was in the free pile, so for free, I think I got a fantastic deal. It is kind of neat. I'll show off. I kind of did a quick glossary, quick look at this when I first reviewed it, but or first showed it. You can see those rivets on the blade there. They are inside there. And this joker was dirty when I got it. But you can see how those are held on. Then, of course, the main pivot, you can barely see that little brass pin in there. But there you go. Western Wednesday, Cheesy Moon style. Till I see y'all again, have yourself a beautiful day.